What if I told you your angry Reddit rant about Lucid Motors just helped Lucid sell a car? Or that your post about burnout on the anti-work subreddit is now training AI tools used by billion-dollar firms? Reddit's new AI adtech just added $500 million to their forecast. And they did it overnight. They are making millions by monetizing your comments twice. So, how much is your voice worth? And who is really cashing in? Reddit's IPO was a mess. Mod revolts, API boycotts, open protests. But through that chaos, they found a new playbook. If they couldn't charge you, they charge for what you say. In June 2025, Reddit launched 2 AI-driven tools: Reddit Insights, real-time sentiment analytics, and conversation summary ads, where your post shows up beside a brand. Suddenly, Reddit wasn't just a forum. It was a behavioral data refinery. And business? Well, business is booming. Reddit's Q1 ad revenue, it's up 61% year over year. That's $358 million. Q2, targeting $430 million. That's not normal growth. That is AI-fueled monetization. Investors noticed. Reddit stock, it's up 6% on announcement. Why? Because Reddit has something Meta and Google don't. 22 billion posts, 150,000 plus communities. On top of that, 20 years of raw, emotional, niche conversation. That's not just data. It's a machine learning goldmine. Here's the twist. Reddit isn't just selling your voice to advertisers. They're selling it again to OpenAI, to Google, to Anthropic. That's double dipping, Silicon Valley style. Once for ads, once for AI training, 2 paydays, 1 data source, you. Your meme about NVIDIA stock, your rant about your boss, now part of an AI's decision model. That's not a conspiracy. That is the business model. Like where this is going? We break down how AI, data, and power shape markets. This is corporate Hive AI. We follow the money. Brands are moving fast. Lucid Motors, Jackbox Games, fintechs, they're placing ads inside Reddit threads in real time, targeting mood, subreddits, even slang. Click-through rates, they are up 15%. In digital advertising, that's a moonshot. And Reddit, they're packaging that engagement as their next billion-dollar product. Let's put this in context. Facebook has scale. TikTok has trends, but Reddit has emotional truth. No filters, no fake influencer polish, just real people in niche communities saying what they really think. And for AI companies, that is priceless. It's fuel for better models. For advertisers, it's sniper precision marketing. Reddit is not just monetizing conversation. They're monetizing human nature. You remember Wall Street Bets? In 2021, they nearly broke Wall Street. Now, in 2025, they're powering finance ads in real time. Broker apps, trading bots, even banks. Your meme post about GME might be driving someone else's financial decision. This is meme finance, commodified, institutionalized, and packaged. But not everyone's cheering. Moderators are uneasy. Users feel exploited. And the SEC is circling. Imagine seeing your post about burnout next to a mental health ad, or your sarcasm used out of context. For some, that is validation. But for others, that's a privacy nightmare. Reddit walks a fine line. Lose trust, and they lose the one thing Meta can't replicate. But zoom out. This is not just about Reddit. This is the blueprint for how your attention becomes inventory and how your voice becomes venture capital. Right now, companies like Reddit, TikTok, and even ChatGPT, they're not just building tools. They're weaponizing community data at scale. In 2024, US firms spent over $20 billion training AI models. Reddit alone inked licensing deals worth over $60 million just for access to your jokes, your debates, and your rants. You didn't sign a release. You didn't get paid. But you trained the next wave of Silicon Valley billionaires. That's not dystopia. That's the current business model. Would you opt out if you could? Or are we already too far in? Reddit is now a stealth adtech platform, an AI data vendor, and a potential takeover target. Price to sales ratio, just 5.2 times. If AI continues delivering, that's undervalued. But this is fragile. Watch Q3 earnings. Watch regulatory pressure. Either one could flip the stock and flip it hard. So, what is Reddit now? A community? A commodity? Is it both? Drop your take now. I read every single comment. And if you want more no BS analysis of AI and markets, hit that subscribe button. This is Corporate Hive AI. We follow the money. Next week, how AI is rewriting the rules for Wall Street's biggest players. Smash the bell. You don't want to miss it.